Hello, dear friend. My name is Aura R Estor. I am 38 years old. I live in Sabana de Torres, Santander. I study psychology. I am going to share the video. Five steps to improve the way you listen to English. Relax. Relaxing and focusing are all in what you are hearing will give you a better opportunity of understanding. Don't try translating. Just listen, don't try to translate things. As you hear them, do not worry about words you don't understand. Use context to help you understand. The comprehension does not rely only on your listening skills. The facial expression can help you depending on the situation you face. Practice with different situations and voices. Listen to many and various types of voice as you can. Make a study plan. Develop and organize weekly study schedules with information that you can find on the internet afterward. You may place it on a wall. At the beginning of the video, they talk about some situation names and list two of those situations. A. You are listening to an English teacher speaking British English, speaking slowly. B. You are listening to a Scotsman speaking native English with a Scottish accent, who also uses a lot of English slang and idioms. In the 31 minutes, the other language spoken is Portuguese. There are the two rules for the 5 steps. Rule number 1. Do something every day. Rule number 2. Do something different every day. What is the lesson plan that they propose? Weekly plan. Monday. Listen to 1 to 2 songs, 2 to 3 times each. Tuesday. Listen to a podcast with American voices. Wednesday. Watch 15 minutes of a TV show from the United Kingdom. Tuesday. Do a listening exercise from a textbook. Friday. Watch 15 minutes of news show. Saturday. Watch 15 minutes of an old movie. Sunday. Call a friend and spend 15 minutes speaking in English. How to stick to your plan? To stick to the plan, I must make a no commitment to study organizing a study strategy. With commitment, effort, and dedication, setting a goal of mastering the English language. Put the plan in place where you can see it. Looking forward to a future as a person who speaks to Spanish and English language. This could be done with commitment and dedication. What kind of lesson plan will you propose? Monday. Listen to audios in English. Tuesday. Read a story that contains more familiar words. Wednesday. Speak in English with another person who is interested in learning English. Thursday. Watch TV programs in English with its subtitle receiver. Friday. Listen to short audios and imitate them. Saturday. Listen to 2 songs in English 2 or 3 times each. Sunday. Match images with its name in English and learn new words to enrich vocabulary. For this, I must allocate 15 minutes daily. Having in mind the video, where can you obtain material to practice English? We, the students, can obtain material to practice English on the internet, on Google, or any other search engines. One can carry out specific research concerning the appropriate level of knowledge the student has of English or any topic in general. Thank you. Bye-bye.